Welcome back to another step-by-step tutorial on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, if you have been importing products from China for a very long time using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, or you are very new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, but you do source and import products by yourself without using agent, this video right here is for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you on how to locate your order list on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app with easy. Whether the order is been a very long time or a new order, you're going to see how you find all your order history on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. This is very much important because in some cases of after sales refund request, you may need this. So consider to find out. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Adufit, or you want me to teach you more about importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to find your order list on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. Then it's going to take you to your profile right here. For you to find the list of your order, whether old order or new order, every order history on your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way. I'm going to swipe, then to the last section right here, click on here. Then it's going to open up and take you to all the order you have made a purchase for in the past. Then you can scroll down right here, whether the order you cancel or the order you make the payment for that has been shipped in the past. No matter how long it is, everything is going to be found right here. So should in case you have any issue with any supplier and they ask you to look for your order number or the tracking number, you can easily get it right here from this order history section in Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.